I get excited when I see ice cream. I get excited when I see ice cream. I feel sleepy after lunch. I feel sleepy after lunch. I color in my coloring book. I color in my coloring book. I sing songs and dance. I sing songs and dance. I ride in the car with my seatbelt on. I ride in the car with my seatbelt on. I walk carefully across the road. I walk carefully across the road. I visited the library with my mom. I visited the library with my mom. I buy snacks at the store. I buy snacks at the store. I say hello to the neighbors. I say hello to the neighbors. I sing song loudly and happily. I sing song loudly and happily. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I read a storybook. I read a storybook. I make crafts with paper and glue. I make crafts with paper and glue. I practice counting numbers. I practice counting numbers. I play games on the table. I play games on the table. I help bake cookies. I help bake cookies. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I study and learn new things. I study and learn new things. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I do my classwork. I do my classwork. I eat snacks. I eat snacks. I help my parents. I help my parents. I help set the table. I help set the table. I water the plants. I water the plants. I feed the pet. I feed the pet. I listen to stories. I listen to stories. I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle. I watch a movie with my family. I watch a movie with my family. I fly my toy airplane around the room. I fly my toy airplane around the room. I talk to my teddy bear. I talk to my teddy bear.